Harry Potter versus Fantastic Beasts. Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and this episode is going to make you believe in magic. Let's boot up this bot battle! Our first Goldie Squad maker is Ava. She dressed up as Ron Weasley for Halloween. She loves pulling pranks like putting fake spiders in the bathroom to scare her sisters. Today she has a robot that's even sneakier than her, a coin-stealing Niffler, and it's got nothing to lose. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Alyssa. Her favorite candy is Three Musketeers, and even though she thinks vampires are totally cool and not scary at all, she does not want to cross paths with a werewolf. Today she has a Harry Potter-inspired robot that's a flying owl. Now it's time to meet our enchanted robots. Introducing Steve!
I have a sneaking suspicion that he's gonna have my gold coins whether I want him to or not. I love how much he's moving there. That seems very true to the spirit of a Niffler. It's like he's always spinning around looking for loot. Tell us a little bit about those LED lights.
Oh, well, they're supposed to represent the party that he's always in. He's always in the spotlight, and he's gonna win no matter what.
Did you give a Niffler a wand? Because that could be very dangerous if he's not properly trained.
Yeah, it is a wand, and he also uses it to find valuable items.
Did you give him any training in wand use?
He's got it all covered.
Do you think the thirst for riches and the greed that a Niffler has instinctively will hinder him in battle at all?
I think it will help.
I noticed that you seem to have a similar keen eye and long, straight brown hair. I'm wondering if there's a possibility that you're related.
Yeah, we are related.
Are you sisters then?
Yeah.
Oh my! Well, that is quite a conflict. Do you think that you'll still be able to live in the same house after this is over?
Yeah.
No one's gonna have to go get an apartment right away?
No.
I think that the stakes are even higher than they were before.
Now let's meet our next robot, introducing Harry the Owl! Guys, is this robot a hoot or what?
And a half. I mean, come on, that is great.
I suppose I was just wondering that if you were going to send a letter to somebody with this owl, oh, who would you send the letter to and what would you be sending them?
I would send it to Harry.
If you could send any of the treats from Honeydukes, which ones would you put in there?
Yeah, the chocolate frog.
That answer alone has me assured that you're going to win this.
What can we expect to see from the weapon that Harry the Owl is holding?
It's supposed to move the other player back, so it's going to push that into the slime pit.
Can you tell us about those balloons on the front there?
When the owl goes forward, then it's supposed to bounce the owl back.
Yeah, it's like he's sitting on a little seat that has a hinge.
Yeah, I put pom-poms behind that, so it, like, when I stop, it goes forward, then it's supposed to go back.
Well, as we all know, the owl is one of the most smartest animals in the animal kingdom. Of course, they're a very physical bird of prey, so I'm excited to see what happens when you combine those two things with your human engineering here.
I can't wait to be enchanted by this battle. Are you guys ready? Okay, cloaks on. I think we're all ready now. 3, 2, 1, go! Harry the Owl is falling down, and actually his only weapon is succeeding. They're kind of butting heads at each other, backing up, getting some momentum. Oh my god. Oh, one's gonna go in, then one doesn't go in, and then it's like a roller coaster of life. Our winner is Steve! And we have 2 new magical, enchanted, amazing members of the Goldie Squad! And Alyssa, you get to cast the spell of maximum enjoyment and pour the bucket of fun on your sister. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what house you're in. I'm a Gryffindor. See you guys next time. Bye! If you like that, hit subscribe. There's plenty more bot battles coming your way every Saturday.